The Atomic Shadows, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. August 6, 1945. The sky above Hiroshima blazed with an otherworldly brightness. In mere seconds, 80,000 lives were lost, and a city turned to ashes. 3 days later, the nightmare repeated itself over Nagasaki. But why were these cities chosen, and what were the lasting consequences of the bombings? The U.S. decision to drop atomic bombs was heavily debated. Hiroshima, a military hub, was selected as the first target, while Nagasaki eventually escaped targeting but faced firebombing during the war. These choices were tied to the Allies' desire to force Japan's surrender swiftly after years of relentless combat in the Pacific. The bomb that fell on Hiroshima, named Little Boy, devastated 70% of the city's structures and unleashed immense heat, radiation, and shockwaves. Thousands died instantly, while survivors faced lasting injuries and illnesses. The Nagasaki bombing, carried out with Fat Man, brought similar horror, solidifying the dawning of the nuclear age. Beyond destroyed cities, the bombings left survivors, known as *Hibakusha*, with unimaginable trauma. Many lived with severe burns, cancer, and lifelong stigmas. Their stories reveal personal suffering beyond the statistics, giving a human face to the largest-scale use of nuclear weapons in history, and sparking global debates about morality and warfare. Though Nagasaki was not struck with an atomic bomb, its skies were not spared. It endured intense firebombing during the war, killing thousands. This comparative look at Nagasaki highlights the broader devastation Japan faced from air raids, contrasting traditional bombing campaigns with the catastrophic impact of nuclear weapons. The bombings brought Japan to its knees, leading to its surrender on August 15, 1945. But the world was forever altered. The mushroom clouds left shadows of fear and power that defined the Cold War and global nuclear policies. Were these bombings necessary, or were they an ominous gateway to modern warfare? The devastation of Hiroshima and Nagasaki isn't just a story of war, but a sobering lesson about technology, power, and humanity. By understanding this dark chapter in history, we honor the victims while reflecting on ways to prevent such destruction. Let this history inspire us to advocate for peace, always.